In this video, I want to show you how you can sell part of shares on eToro. So if you don't want to sell all of your shares and you only want to sell some of them, this is the easiest way to do this. You can do this from your phone or from the website. Head over to your portfolio and find the stock or whatever you want to sell. Then simply press on close, select sell specific positions. And once you're in here, you want to click on the close button again and choose close only part of the trade. In here, you can select how many units you want to sell and the amount of dollar. So you can just select here. And let's say you only want to sell for 1,000 of them. Press close trade and you will see you have now sold for 1,000 of them. Now you can keep doing this if you want to. So let's say you want to sell half, do that, and you have now sold half of it. And as you can see, I have sold half of it. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.